Hello everyone. Today, let's go for a drive in the Integra A-Spec Tech with the manual transmission. I've already made a video on the CVT, and I'm glad I'm able to bring a video on the A-Spec Tech manual. The manual is pretty fun. If you're gonna get an Integra, and if you know how to drive manual, go for a manual, 100%. It's a great daily driver, and I just like the throws and the way it shifts. It's just very easy. It's also a very easy manual. What's the difference between this and the CVT is obviously you won't get remote start. Plus this also has a limited slip differential, which you don't get in the CVT. 201 horsepower, 167 pound-feet of torque, or actually 200 horsepower. Currently in sport mode, which is the only way I would drive this. I mean, just to be honest, this car, the manual, much better power delivery than the CVT, obviously, but this ain't no speed demon. I mean, this ain't no speed demon. It gives you more than enough for daily driving. I do wish it had more power though. The Integra Type S is going to definitely be a lot better in terms of power and what the enthusiast wants. This is more of a daily, it's not really something crazy. It does handle well though, the handling is very good. I was impressed with that the first time I drove this. I mean, I daily drive a manual 2021 M3, so I guess I am pretty spoiled with the horsepower I have in that. So whenever I drive any other manual, I'm always complaining about the power, but you know, this is nice for most people. I mean, I've seen a lot of people who bought the manual Integra. They may not be car enthusiasts, but they know how to drive manual. They just wanted another manual car. I do wish the shift knob was a little bigger though. It's so small. So this has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as you find in the other Integras, A-Spec Techs, wireless charging tray. The ELS Studio 3D 16-speaker sound system is one of the greatest things about this car. Plus the fact that you get a head-up display and a digital gauge cluster. That's amazing in a car of this price. You don't really see that often. As I said, very nice handling. Nice weight to the steering in sport mode. It's a nice car. I am impressed with the throws. For a stock shifter, the throws are great. And obviously a plus side of this car is you get great fuel economy. It's a turbo 4-cylinder, 1.5 liter. I drove this car pretty extensively in traffic. It's really hard to overtake someone. No matter what you do, this thing doesn't have enough power in certain situations. I do wish this had at least 250 horsepower. I mean, it would be a lot better for pickup. It is fun, 100%. It just needs more power. Just to be totally honest. Thank you for watching this video of the Acura Integra A-Spec Tech, and stay tuned for more content.